In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a table of contents in Notion. A table of contents is a simple way to make long Notion pages easier to navigate. It automatically pulls in your headings and turns them into clickable links so viewers can jump straight to the section they need. Let's walk through it clearly and keep it straightforward. First, place your cursor where you want the table to appear. In Notion, the quickest way to add any block is with the slash command. Type /, then start typing the word table. As you type, Notion will filter the block menu for anything that matches. You'll see an option called Table of Contents. If you don't see it right away, keep typing until it appears in the list. Next, click Table of Contents. Notion will insert a Table of Contents block right where your cursor was. At this point, if your page doesn't have any headings yet, the block may look empty or say there's nothing to show. That's normal. The table is ready, it just needs headings to reference. Now add your first heading. Click the plus icon that appears when you hover to the left of a new line, then choose a heading style. You can pick heading 1, heading 2, or heading 3. Heading 1 is best for main sections, heading 2 for subsections, and heading 3 for details under those subsections. The level you choose determines how items will be nested inside the table of contents, so choose the level that matches your page structure. After you select the heading style, type your heading name. This text becomes the label that appears in the table of contents. As soon as you finish typing, look back at the table of contents block and you'll see that heading appear as a clickable link. Repeat the same process for each section of your page. Use the plus icon. Select a heading level and type the heading name. The table updates automatically as you add, rename, or remove headings. A few quick tips for clarity. The table only pulls from headings, not from bolded text or regular paragraphs. If nothing shows up, make sure you used an actual heading block. Also, the indentation in the table reflects your heading hierarchy, so use consistent levels to keep it readable. And remember, the table stays in sync. Any change you make to a heading is instantly reflected. That's all there is to it. Slash and type table, click table of contents, add a heading from the plus icon, and type the heading name. You now have a clean, automatic navigation for your Notion page.